Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit more special, but it's not because I've got 167 subscribers or because today is Friday, and it's not even because this is a unboxing video. Today's video is a bit special because this item in here has a special place in my heart. As far as I can remember, when I was a little boy, I was having thoughts, I was dreaming of owning this particular item. This thought of having this item took me through school and through my college into my adulthood years. And even though I cannot legally own one in UK for another 2.5 years, I can buy one, but I have to give it away. And since it's Christmas time and we're all playing a Secret Santa in the office, that's when I'm allowed to buy one and give it as a present. And today is a special day because the package has arrived, and I will show you what this item is. So without further ado, let's get into this. I'm sure guys you haven't guessed what this is. So let's open this up quickly. This was £10 because we in the office agreed that it's going. You can't go above certain amount of money because then Santa becomes very expensive. So one year I remember we've done £5. But this year we decided that you can't get anything for £5, so we decided to raise the bar, and this year Santa, Secret Santa in our office, is £10, which allows me to buy this as a present for some lucky man. Okay, and I'm buying this for my friend, and hopefully he will have as much fun as I will have, or used to have. Have you guessed it what it is? Ta-da! That's what it is. It is this thing. And if you haven't seen it before, it is what it says on the box. It is a useless box. And I'm not gonna start explaining why I can't legally own one, but let's just say it's complicated. This box, it's called a useless box for only one reason, because there is no use to this box. Well, there is in my case, because it brings endless pleasure, but for other people, well, it might be quite useless. So let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box you have batteries, you have an arm, and you have a motor, which makes all the magic happen in the box. So you probably wondering what the box does and why is there a switch that says push. So let me show you what this box does. Okay, it's been a few years, or a few long months before I've done this, but let's see. See, that's what it does. Basically that's what it does. That's the useless box. When you turn it on, it turns itself off. See how fun that is? See? Look. So good. Sorry guys, blacked out there a little bit. So basically it's hot. Basically that's what it is. So that's my present to my friends. Hopefully you'll have a lot of fun with this box. I know I would. And so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will now test it a little bit more, just make sure it works. Make sure it works before I wrap it up and as a present. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and hopefully one day I will be able to buy myself a box. Thank you. Bye.